Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm the Dangerous Beauty and I just wanted to show you guys my nighttime routine. This is a very informal video, so I'm about to play my track right now. Okay? Cut the track. Okay, so in the beginning, what I was trying to show you is that I put on some coconut sugar and some aloe vera oil. You can get this from Etsy and you can get this from Aldi or your local store. Okay, that's my part of my nighttime routine, but I really like to also use a couple of these other products, and then you're gonna see what those are too. Okay, so first things first, after we don't put on our mask, our coconut mask, you like it? I think it's cute. I just messed my hair, so we're ready to go. After that, I'm gonna put on some Minnie Mouse. You can get this at the Dollar Tree lip balm, like so. Then after that, since I rinsed my hair, I love to put on my For Your Glory. That's what's called, For Your Glory hairspray. And it's not really a spray, it's kind of like an elixir. I call it the elixir. This is what I created, and it's my own home remedy. It's just an orange peel, olive oil, blessed oil. I like to call it blessed oil because you bless your tress, and some water. And you don't mix it though. You don't really mix it because you know water and oil is separate. So that's going to be helpful for the formulation on your hair. So this is what I put on my hair. Oh, you gotta open it. And it really does stimulate hair growth. So those of you guys that are like looking at my channel, like, what is she doing with this orange? Look at it. Look at it. Google it. Google it. It's dripping, but that helps with your eyes too. It hair through your tear ducts. So we done with that. And so it really smells good too. So when you go to bed, you're gonna be smelling like oranges, orange cream. Yeah. So after that, then I really like to do some suntan lotion, but I don't have any, so I just have to use this. So this is 30 SPF, and I just recommend you put it on there. So like when you sleep, you know, everybody talk about baking and all that stuff. You put it on your arms, you're gonna be baking. So you have to put on sun lotion because I mean you're gonna be sleeping and you need to eradicate all that other stuff. So just put it on your skin, put it on your body. That's the first step. And you cannot do anything without having your sanitizer on. And I'm wrong because I was supposed to do it before, you know, coronavirus and all that stuff. So you're supposed to do this. This is the first thing. So I skipped this step. But I'm not editing this video. So make sure you put on your hand sanitizer before you even touch your face. I'm late. And before you go to bed, I know you're going to be by yourself because you ain't going to be with nobody else. Right? Before you go to bed, especially if you're young and you under the age 18 and you ain't married, you're going to put on some Chloe. This is my sample that I got from Macy's. The lady gave it to me, so we're going to use this. You always want to smell good before you go to bed. This is my nighttime routine. I just put a little bit on. Just like, you know, smell. I like to mix some stuff up with like essential oils too, but you know, when you go to bed, that's what you do. And before I go to bed, sometimes before I actually put this in my mouth, I like to do this. This right here, thanks to the Chick Natural. She got me on this right here. The anti-plague. But I actually was using it before I watched her video, but she did inspire me to go back and buy some more. So I got this, and it's from Trader Joe's, and it got fennel in it. And you know, sometimes fennel, they be putting it in sausage. Yeah, the Italian sausage and stuff. I don't really eat meat no more, you know, but this don't taste like sausage though. It tastes just like some toothpaste. So you guys want to go buy that, go to Trader Joe's and you get you some. And so I like to brush my teeth with that at night. Then after that, I like to put some gum in my mouth, so I'm gonna put some in my mouth right here. I know they say you shouldn't chew gum and talk, but it's called excitement, and I get excited when I do these videos for you guys. The cool part about this is though, when I first bought this, it was missing, and I always thought somebody stole it. But no, Aldi, you guys be jipping people because all of them come like that. I bought many of these, and there's always one missing. So just know if you go and buy the pack, they're like $1 something. There's one missing. Weak. Anyway, this is something that you guys really need to get on this. This is the best thing that I have ever seen in my life. You guys don't even know what this is. This is your essential. This is the Sabra Mace Honey, and it looks just like it's a lip thing, but it's not. It looks like lipstick, but it's mace, and I got it from Amazon. So shout out to Amazon. It was like $8, and I had a gift card, and I used it, so I really only paid for the shipping. You need you one of this, especially if you call yourself a dangerous beauty like I do. You need to have you some mace that looks like lipstick, so you can make it look like you're really doing something, but you're not. It's really a weapon of mass destruction. That's my secret weapon. This video is probably not funny to some of you guys, but I don't really care. The next video is gonna be due. Before you go to bed, you need to make sure you stay hydrated because it's the right thing to do. Make sure you stay hydrated and get you some water. So drink you some of this before you go to bed. And that's pretty much my whole video. I just had this Miralax in here because if you didn't have a bowel movement, you want to make sure you drink some of this. And some of y'all don't be eating your vegetables, so you know you're going to need some extra help. So let that push through, because you're going to need to push through, boo, before you go to bed. Push through doo-doo. This is what this is. Okay? So you got all your essentials. That's $7.34. That's how my time is going to be paid here on YouTube, because that's all on my video is. Thank you guys for watching, and I want to see you at the next episode, okay? Bye.